Hello, friends. I'm going to tell you the story of the curse of the Epicurus and how two bottles of fermented bamboo shoots came all the way from Nagaland. I grew up in the northeastern parts of India, hence, part of my food preferences grew up with me. My childhood was in Assam. My adolescent years, however, was in Hyderabad, India. This was my stomping ground till the age of 13. This is Hyderabad, where I grew up, past my teens to adolescence. My adolescent years were here. These are my friends at Hyderabad. I'm sitting in the center, uh, the guy in green T-shirt. So this is around circa 1984. These are the friends with whom I first learned the taste of the Naga fermented bamboo shoots made by the Lothar tribe. The Lothar tribes, they make exceptional bamboo shoots, fermented bamboo shoots. So it's something about them makes it stand apart. And it's like the champagne of the Northeast. They all grew up, went their own ways, but we did occasionally meet. And one time I was in Guwahati, and I get this call from my friend Kikru, and he said, "Come here tomorrow morning. I want to see you here." So he arranged for a bus, and he got me a seat on the bus. And then early morning, next morning, I arrived in Kohima, and I found out that they were celebrating their New Year. It's called Sekreni, and these are some of my friends from the Northeast. These both guys on the left, they are geologists by professions. The guy on the left is Robert. Next is Chuba. He's the one who always provided bamboo shoot to me whenever I come to Nagaland. He always had some package ready for me. But it has been almost now 7 years since I last visited Northeast, and probably 5 years since I last visited India. And all my stock of bamboo shoot has dwindled to a knot. So I don't have anything more. This is my friend, Silent on the right. He is my buddy since childhood, and this picture was taken in Hyderabad in 2017, and we haven't met since then, 5 years now. So I tell him about my stock of bamboo shoot, and he said, "Let me see what I can do about it." This is my friend Lina Datta, my my primary school uh, classmate, and she offered to help. So she calls her friend Amok in Mokokchung. This is where Amok lives, and this is Mokokchung, Nagaland. It's a very beautiful place, and she packed 2 jars of the bamboo shoots for me. So she puts the package in a night super and arrives the next morning at Guwahati. So the next morning, Dr. Hemanta Datta, he picks it up and takes it in his car to Tezpur, and here he repackages and sends it. He dehydrates it and repackages it and sends it back by speed post to me, and it cost my friend Sailen probably about 3,000 rupees. This is Tezpur, as it looks, a section of it where the mental health hospital is located at. And then it travels all the way from Tezpur to Guwahati, then to Calcutta, or it's called Kolkata in the present times, And then it travels all the way to New York, and then the package arrives in New York. Then it comes to Raleigh Airport, and then all the way from there it comes to my doorstep on a lazy afternoon. Here is my house at my doorstep on August 6, 2022. You see these two boxes on the porch. Arrives here 21 days later. Now, I had to tell you the Naga chicken recipe because this is what I asked the bamboo shoots for. What do I need? Chicken, deskinned and cut in small pieces. Green chilies diced, a few handful. Salt enough to match the heat. I would eyeball it about to half of the green chilies. Fermented bamboo shoots, that which is actually optional, but I want them. So one whole big juicy tomato, a slice of lemon, which is optional, and a sprig of cilantro, coriander leaves diced. So here you see in the picture are the chicken, the salt, the tomato, the cilantro, green chili diced, and bastanga, and lemon. Mix the chicken, green pepper, and salt. Mix the chicken, the salt, the diced green chili, and cook over low flame with the lid on for about 10 minutes. And you'll see the chicken change state from this raw color to white color. Next, you add the bamboo shoot when the chicken looks something like this, white, and its water comes out. So did I tell you that when you first take the chicken, you have to drain out all the water from the chicken? Don't have any water in the chicken. Now you add the bamboo shoot to it and then cover it up with a lid and again cook in low flame for about 4 minutes, a medium flame for 4 minutes. Add the diced tomatoes, put the lid on, and then cook it on for more than approximately about 5 minutes again. Then you add cilantro, cook it for about 4 minutes. Last, add the lemon and check the salt, approximately 1 to 2 minutes. The whole process should not take more than 20 minutes, around 20 minutes. And that's all. No other spices required. It's a healthy food. And people who love this kind of food, they will can never eat spicy food. This is it. And voila. Just for a bowl of rice, you might say that this is a lot of effort. That is true. That is the curse of the Epicurus. It is not the quantity but the quality of the food and its taste. It's not the sweat but the love that one goes in making the good food goes a long way for a healthier life. Oh, what a feast! It's good to have a lot of friends, and I can assure you of that. Thanks for watching.